what we back out here, we working on the blower back out here, and we've already started the process, you know, getting it back together. We replaced some bearings in it. We cleaned the inside of it up good. Waiting on a couple seals and a speedy shaft seal for the crank here, or tri-lobe roller shaft. And we got to wait on a couple more things. But when we was taking this thing apart here, we had ever who had been in it before had stripped a couple of the Allen wrench bolt heads out, and just to keep from aggravating with a couple bolts, going to go try to find the right thread and the right pitch bolt. I'm gonna just cut the heads off of them. I already got them out. I welded a little nut piece on there just to get them out, but I'm gonna cut the heads off of them, and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna weld this hex head nut over the top of this round shaft here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I got 3 of them. It ain't no good as far as the heads on them. The bolts are still good, just the heads ain't no good on them. So we're gonna clean them up around here with the sanding wheel a little bit, get them where they'll fit on the inside of this hex head nut, and then I'm gonna tighten them up. You pause it, man. That's pretty much what we're going to end up with. Just where the fit in there is kind of snug. And we got 2 more to do like that, so we'll grind them up and we'll weld them all at one time. All right, got them all grinded down where they'll fit inside of the bolt, all of them. Let's take them up. So if I got a bolt and I stick it in my nut there, you see how that bolt's leaning to one side? It's leaning back to the left. So if I try to hold it straight, I put it in there straight and weld it, it's gonna pull one way or the other. So we're gonna try something. We're just gonna let it lean. We're gonna let it lean to that one side, and I'm gonna hit it right there with that welder, and I'm gonna see will it straighten up where it needs to be at. We don't know this, but we're gonna try it. How about that? Now you see there, I got me 3 bolts. I didn't have to get in my car and drive 25 miles to town, go around 2 or 3 different places, ask some people, you got this kind of bolt, looking in bins, checking thread, pitches and metric. And I eliminated all that. So if I had to drive 25 miles or 20 miles to town, that means I got to drive 20 miles back. Then I got to get out and run around town for an hour or more going to different places, because most places around here, they don't carry those specific type bolts with a certain kind of thread pitch. So I eliminated all that. I'll grind them up. I got 3 bolts I can use. All they're really doing is holding a oil pan grease cover onto the blower. So I'll come here and I clean that little spot weld up right here that I welded on there on the back side, because I don't want no weld on the back. And I'll knock it down on the top here a little bit, and I got me 3 bolts. You got air press on. All right, there you got it. 1 bolt ready to go. this was holding something, you know, real heavy duty, you know, I probably wouldn't do it this way, but this is just holding a oil pan. Basically, it's basically an oil pan cover on the end of a Hibon blower. So it'll work good for it. And I save myself a little bit of money and a lot of time running around looking for bolts. We'll go ahead and cut right here. Got one on one side. All right, we got it set on 45 pounds. I'm gonna fit. There you go. Let's move on to something else.